On a cold, rainy, early winter's day, I visited Meow Wolf's latest immersive exhibit, The Real Unreal, at Grapevine Mills Mall near DFW Airport. This new installation reminded me of my time living in Santa Fe some 15 years ago. It was amazing to see how far they've come, this North Texas location being their fourth of 5 nationwide. The Real Unreal begins in the front yard of a suburban home at night.
Hola chicos, es mi primera vez aquí. It's my first time here at Meow Wolf, The Real Unreal in Grapevine, Texas. Let's check it out.
What starts out as a typical suburban tract home quickly shifts into a surreal world. I entered that world through the kitchen fridge and was immediately transported into a dreamlike realm. Eastern philosophies teach that life's experiences are illusionary. They mask a deeper reality, while many in the West turn to hallucinogens for a shortcut to this experience. I learned to access it through yoga and meditation. Meow Wolf shows us there's a third way into that realization, through the path of creative expression. As I went deeper into the space, I found a neon blacklight zone reminiscent of a 1970s theme park environment, followed by a retro urban alley filled with graffiti, marquee lights, and a surreal arcade with reprogrammed games that were both abstract and entertaining. The dream world it creates is both engaging and thought-provoking.
Poor thing.
I then passed out front again and through a side shed door into a forest of brightly lit neon trees, amplified by mirrors that expanded the space.
Excuse me.
I was soon transported to an underground world of roots and plants, eventually reaching a treehouse with bridges up among the canopy of leaves. Exploring the upstairs rooms, I pieced together the family's story
It's blowing my mind.
of Carmen, the daughter who cared for her musician father, Gordon, and Laverne, Carmen's friend, who moved into the house with her son, Jared, the first one to enter the unreal world through a portal inside his closet.
Meow Wolf, The Real Unreal. Wow, that was such a unique experience. It's impossible to describe other than you just have to imagine you're in the mind of like 100 artists and roaming around, experiencing adventures. Grapevine, Texas. Well worth the experience. That was just an amazing experience. And what inspired me even more is I remember Meow Wolf starting out in Santa Fe. Wow, around 15 years ago, I sat in on some of their early board meetings just in this grungy warehouse space. They were an art collective that had big ideas and were making things happen on a shoestring budget. But you could see their potential even then. It's been great to watch them grow and to expand, bringing many other talented artists into their collective in many different locations. They have spaces now. It's just a testament to what's possible when you really live your creativity and let your imagination grow outward into the world. Thanks, Meow Wolf, for bringing your greatness to all of us. Until next week, hasta la próxima, mis amigos. Te amo. Besos.